What I love about quilting is how many different ways there are to approach a project and how many different techniques there are. I've been quilting for just about 25 years and I still haven't gotten bored. In fact, up until only about 4 years ago, I didn't actually own a sewing machine. I would hand piece and hand quilt everything. The lack of a sewing machine was quite an education because working at a slower speed and spending time with each individual piece really drove home the mechanics of patchwork. My hope is that you'll walk away from this workshop with an understanding of how and when to switch between hand and machine sewing, especially once you know what method makes you happier,